In just 6 months, we'll have the first election days of the 2024 presidential race. First, the Iowa caucuses, then New Hampshire soon thereafter. And on the resume of the current favorite in that race is a staggering list of legal entanglements that the voters might want to consider. This morning, we learned that the ex-president received a target letter from special counsel Jack Smith in his sprawling investigation into Trump's efforts to overturn the 2020 election. And this is separate from Jack Smith's other criminal investigation into Trump's handling of classified documents. In that case, he's been indicted on 37 felony counts, including willful retention of documents, conspiracy to obstruct justice, and false statements, among others. Then there is the Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis's criminal investigation into Trump's efforts to overturn the election in Georgia. Last night, Georgia's top court unanimously rejected Trump's last-ditch effort to shut down that investigation. The DA has set a timetable for announcing potential indictments for the coming weeks. In New York, the ex-president is facing a trial early next year in his 34-count felony indictment by the Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg over a hush money payment scheme that involved falsifying business records during the 2016 election. And all of that is just Donald Trump's potential criminal exposure. On the civil litigation front, he's facing multiple lawsuits, including one brought by the New York State Attorney General that accuses Trump and his business of staggering fraud. That case heads to trial in October. Trump's former fixer, Michael Cohen, is also suing him for unpaid legal fees relating to Cohen's 2019 congressional testimony. Jury selection has just started in that case. Back in May, the ex-president was found liable for defamation and sexual assault and ordered to pay the writer E. Jean Carroll $5 million. But his defamation trouble has not ended there. In June, a federal judge allowed E. Jean Carroll to amend another defamation lawsuit against Trump to include disparaging comments that Trump made about her during a town hall. Everything seems to be culminating all at once for this man who is also the front runner in the Republican primary race for president of the United States. So when does any of it actually begin to matter for him politically? That's what we're talking about right after this break.